From Ashland, Kentucky, of 3 trains. A grain/coal train, the coal train, the L211. Of course, we caught the L211 in Kenova, West Virginia before we went over to Ashland, Kentucky. We also caught the tail end of a coal train going back onto the Norfolk Southern line from the coal docks there. I was very surprised to see Jawtooth 1960 Gammon. I think 1960 Gammon and Jawtooth was just surprised to us as we were then. And they commented about us being a ways from home. Yeah, it's definitely a ways from home on this trip. By the way, the engine that P&L was the Paducah and Louisville, which is apparently a salt line railroad owned by CSX somewhere. I didn't even know that one existed until recently. One of the engines freshly painted at the Huntington locomotive stops being delivered to that railroad. So I thought that was interesting. Oh well, it was a good catch. I also got a Heritage unit, which didn't get the best view of the Heritage unit from the angle he's at. But enjoy the video. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Just in time to catch the very end of the train, the very last car of the train going by. Although they are circling around and coming onto the bridge here, so we got that. I was wrong, this train did not circle around onto the bridge, it went the opposite direction. I should have known that when I seen the signal green, high green, at the railroad crossing up here. I'm very confused right now, but okay. That's Jawtooth. That's literally Jawtooth standing there. Howdy. Hello. Hey, that's funny. I see the Ohio plate and I tell my friend, Jawtooth joking, it really is you. Go and get up. Yeah. Okay. That's the same thing in New Orleans and they're going through Thurman. The horn blows and the sound and it echoes. See if this is the Heritage unit. Yep, there's the Pan Am Heritage unit. P&L, that's not Pan Am, that's the P&L. Pittsburgh and Lake Erie. That's what that stands for, I think. Found out after this I was wrong. It's the Paducah and here comes a nano train. Louisville. Right there. There's literally a nano train right behind this one. There's another train coming. That engine was the Paducah and Louisville on on its way back from the Huntington locomotive stops where it got a fresh coat of paint. I'd like to point that out.
Better be it.
Well, trying to figure out the best spot not getting somebody else's video here. Everybody's filming the same thing at the same time. A lot of trains coming through here. Coal train. And that's a coach train. the sign still says 4 tracks over there, but 2 tracks have been removed. Well, this ain't gonna help much if the train stops, because the Paducah and Louisville engine is on the local freight, which apparently was freshly painted the Huntington stops recently, in the Huntington locomotive stops, and being delivered. Okay, they're clearing the crossing, but they are stopping. Train I've been waiting on is finally here. Oh, 128. L211. Well, time to make my way home. We'll have to take our way home. Beautiful artwork there. Yeah, that's all salt. It's a lot of salt.